Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a DeLonghi brand air conditioner and it's giving you an HL error. And the reason, so you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? So very simply, the HL error is indicating that the air conditioner is full of water and needs to be drained. So this is a pretty simple fix. All you need to do is come around back and you'll see that there's this at the bottom in the back, there is this drain plug. We just want to open that up and drain it out, and in some cases you might have a hose hooked up to it so that it can drain. If you do have a hose hooked up and you're still getting this error, you want to make sure there's not any kind of clog or anything preventing it from draining properly. Make sure that your hose isn't kinked or bent or smashed or anything like that that is preventing the air conditioner from draining properly. That would then give you this error. So anyways, and if you're able to get it drained properly, you'll be able to get this error out and get your air conditioner working properly. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.